Well, we just pulled up to this little stream, this grey wagtail.
Line up here, like.
It was just here on the rocks as we came in.
It might be in one of these.
I can actually see one in the middle, like.
It might be old necessarily.
Right, there's an old one in the first one, and I will have a look. Wouldn't even think of looking. They just look rough, doesn't they? Might even go around the corner in there somewhere.
What? Oh, I think we get to look now.
I know that one's a bit. So there's no on the other end. Oh, yeah, I've put the camera on the tripod. Oh, let's stand it. That's what I'm doing. No. I can see the nest there, like it looks out. There was a pied wagtail on that door last year, and that's a graze there. I am just getting their legs extended on the tripod. Right, got that extended.
You need to, like that, that's something great.
Oh, brilliant.
I just got it there. It was 5, I think it was 4.
Oh, brilliant. We'll set the camera up just up here and...
I set it up there. So we can get it coming in.
We'll get a video of the birds coming back. Because we'll just park there and we'll just walk down, and then it must have jumped us. I'll set the camera up and just see if we can... Probably I'm just looking for the best angle. Probably over there is going to be the best one. So I can jump over here. Alright, I can get that good from here.
Well, to get it, see it coming back in.
Aye. Right, so I'll set that up now. Got it nicely balanced there, and I'll just zoom in. Well, we're finished here for the day. Getting some good footage of that grey wagtail there. Down into that middle hole in the bridge. But this is where we are. We're up Edmund Bears. Up the moorland.